October 2025, I decided to do an undercut. As y'all can see, that bottom row of locks struggling, and that little piece of taco meat on the right, a whole lock fell out. And in the scalp meat above the taco meat on the right, honestly, that's enough space for like 4 or 5 locks. But in hindsight, I know the thinning was due to how I tie my scarf at night. I do a double knot in the back. And not only that, I wear my scarf throughout the day because I work from home. The only time my hair is free is when I go in the shower. Outside of that, when I'm cooking, my locks are tied down. When I'm cleaning, my locks are tied down. When I'm sleeping, my locks are tied down. When I'm working, my locks are tied down. Now, the undercut was not the problem because the undercut was the solution to the problem. However, the problem was, in my mind, I knew how to reattach my locks by crocheting them. And that was a lie. So I'm out here just rocking a whole taco meat patch in the back of my head. So I posted this next clip a couple of months ago when I was trying to do cornrows back in January. I don't know why I find this so funny, but this was I think this was like 2 months ago, and I tried to convince myself that it was long enough to braid. So I soaked my tips off. I did a short set. I'm like, yeah, we're gonna catch this hair in the back. And had the nerve to try a second one. Oh, Melinda. Oh my goodness, a mess. And I promise y'all, I was going to try another one. And this was me just a few days ago. Y'all, please don't play with me. It's definitely giving bundles. Like 14, 16, 18. It's so long now, I need a trim. Like a Rapunzel let down your hair kind of trim. Like it's almost too much for me to handle. I should do some finger waves with a few swoop-de-doops. I could probably do a French roll and add the little pearl beads for a little razzle-dazzle. No, but all jokes aside, my hair is mad long back there. Didn't Young Jock say I know you see it? Because I know you see it. No, but all jokes aside, I really need to learn how to reattach my locks because I don't have the patience for my taco meat patch to grow out long enough to do the 2-strand twist and interlock. Someone also made an offer to reattach my locks for me at a super discounted rate. But I declined because I really want to learn how to do it myself. And I believe in my heart of hearts that I can. So just like YouTube taught me how to install and maintain the micro locks myself, I know I can learn how to crochet my locks back in with a crochet needle. Now look at that braid all the way to the left. Hold on. Oh my God, it's so long. It's like down to the middle of my back.